Welcome to Drive-Thru Kitchen, where we make it better, faster, cheaper at home, bringing all your favorites out of the drive-thru and into your kitchen. This one right here is a personal favorite. A lot of these videos I'm doing because they're fan requests, or it's a classic, or whatever it is, that sort of thing. It's just like, you have to do that one. This one, I've been dying to do this one. Oh, this was going to be the first video I did, but I decided to restrain myself, do a bunch first. This is the Wendy's Baconator. You doing the same dance I'm doing? Because I'm doing the little Baconator dance. Yeah, this thing's awesome. It's amazing. They came out with this in 2007. And this thing is a classic already. Can you believe that? It's only been 17 or 18, let's say 17 and a half years, something like that. Here we are. This is an amazing burger. It's super simple to make. I did a couple things that you're going to love on this. I made a special sauce for this because they just used mayonnaise and ketchup. That's a little bit boring. I'm going to show you how to make the burgers way better than the patties. Yeah, how do you make them square? I got a secret for that. I've got a secret for everything. I'm going to share them all with you right now as we make the Wendy's Baconator right here in the Drive-Thru Kitchen. Alright, so what makes a Wendy's Baconator unique, or Wendy's just in general? It's the square patties, of course. As you can see, I have square patties here. You know why? Because you demand authenticity, and the comments section would kill me if I didn't use that. So I went and got a bunch of these. These are cake forming mold forms. I don't know what they are exactly, but they come basically in odds and evens. So you can get like a set of all 1 inch, 1 inch, 2 inch, 3 inch, all that way up. And then there's the 1.5 inch, 2.5, 3.5. I got 2 sets because I don't know what I'm gonna need. Turns out I need a 4.5 inch, which is this guy right here. You basically just set this down on parchment paper, put 4 ounces of 80/20 ground chuck in here, and bing, bang, boom, your Uncle Bob suddenly has square patties. There you go. That's basically it. If you want to buy a set of these, I will leave a link in the description for the Amazon thing where you can get these. It's an affiliates link. So if you buy it, I do make like 4 cents. So wow, thank you. That pays for a lot of these videos. So thank you so much for doing that. There are 2 sets here. I will see if I can find both of them because, again, yeah, you either get all 1/2 inch or all full inch. There you go. All right, so that's how the patties are done. They are fresh, never frozen, which was always their thing, and they are a 1/4 pound each. So this is a lot of meat for an $8 burger. You're getting a value here for sure. All right, we'll cook those up in a second, but I'm going to talk about sauce real quick. Hold on. Okay, so this burger just has mayonnaise and ketchup on it. Boring. You can do that if you like. If you want authenticity, you take the top bun and you smear a bunch of mayonnaise and then squirt it with some ketchup and you're done. That's it. That's all there is. They don't do anything more fancy than that. Boring. So I'm going to show you my favorite burger sauce. This right here is a great burger sauce. First of all, start with mayonnaise and just piss everybody off. Never use Duke's. I'm kidding. Everyone loves Duke's mayonnaise. I live on the wrong side of the country. So I have this, which is Best Foods, which is Hellman's. Okay, so I need about 2 tablespoons of this. I am using the calibrated eyeballs because I've been doing this a while. That is probably a smidge over. Zoom me. There you go. We're going to use some yellow mustard, about a teaspoon. Okay, ketchup, about a teaspoon. Teaspoon and a half. And hit your knife with ketchup. That's important. Sound guy loves that. Now we have Worcestershire sauce, or also known as the Who's Your Sister sauce. There you go. We're going to put about 6 or 8 drops of this in here. This is very little amount. So this is 1/4 teaspoon, pretty much. This will overpower real fast if you screw this up. Don't go crazy with this. You could also use Maggi sauce if you want to. That is our sauce. This is perfect. This is going on there. This goes great on any burger whatsoever. A little tang from the mustard. I'm not a mustard guy. I appreciate the hell out of that. So there, let's get back to cooking some other stuff and make a Baconator. You can't have a Baconator without some bacon. So I've got a package of bacon here cut in half. We're just cooking this fairly low, over a medium-low heat. It helps the bacon caramelize real nice. It makes it really yummy. Drain this on a paper towel, and there you go. We got the bacon part of this done. The next thing we got to do is toast our buns, of course. These are some potato buns, because I like potato buns. They don't necessarily use that, and especially if you got the pretzel version of it, we're just going to toast them till they got a nice little bit of a toast, like just like that. Perfect. Now, Wendy's cooks their burgers at 350 degrees. Their flat tops at 350. 450 to 500 is way better, and you'll see why here in a second. I've got my square quarter-pound burgers here, and I'm pressing them down. I'm not squeezing it. I'm just making sure I have good contact with the griddle here, because that helps get that Maillard reaction going and gets that beautiful caramelization on the meat here, and that is flavor. If you miss that, you're screwed. We got some regular seasoning salt here. Wait till the blood starts coming up, and then we're going to flip these over. You got to get that whole crust off of it. Yeah, it's got a little bit of crust on it. It's not a super amount of crust like a smash burger, but that's a pretty good crust, and that's what you're missing with Wendy's, which is a shame. And I press down here just to make sure that it's not dancing with any liquid under there, so it doesn't steam itself to death. Again, blood starts coming through. That's your sign. Pull this off. I'm going to flip these over because the first side has all the flavor. I'm going to put the cheese against the side that's not as much flavor on it. And one slice of cheese each. We are done. Alright, everything's cooked. Our Baconator is ready to assemble, so that's what we're going to do. Buns are slightly toasted. These are potato buns, just because I like the potato buns. Don't think that's what they're actually using unless you're getting the pretzel bun, which definitely isn't the one they're using. Now, the sauce only goes on the top of this with the way they do it. That ain't the way I do it. And I'm making a couple other changes as well, as you are about to see here, because this has no veggies on it whatsoever. From Wendy's, oh, they're missing an opportunity, because some really nice ripe tomato on this is actually delicious. Oh my god. Seriously, this is crazy. The caramelized onions you saw me do. Wait, you didn't see? Oh, I didn't do that yet. Caramelizing onions, basically. Not really caramelized, just slightly grilled. It takes about 15-20 minutes, something like that. And always make 3 times as much as you think you need, because that's like a big chunk of onion all grilled down. If you wanted to fully caramelize that, you can. If you want to make bacon jam, that's a completely different thing, but it's also delicious. All right, so there is that. Now, this is supposed to have bacon in between. I stacked them up to melt the cheese. We're going to lift that out, which I'm making a mess, I know. And they get 3 slices of bacon in between each one. Come on, it needs 4. Because we're making it at home, we can do whatever we want. The rules do not apply here, folks. They don't. There are no rules. The bacon, this bacon is cooked in a frying pan, because if you bake this in the oven, it doesn't come out quite the same. And theirs is done on the flat top at a fairly cool temperature, like they cook the burgers. Yeah, don't get me started on that, because we don't have all day. But this is my version of the Baconator at home, better, faster, cheaper, because Drive-Thru kitchen, and we're trying to make your favorites better, faster, cheaper. Look, it's still bleeding a little bit because we didn't overcook the hell out of it. It's still juicy inside. Look at this thing. Oh. Okay, thumbnail stuff, that's all taken care of. We're done. But we are going to dig into this thing. Oh my god, I can't wait. This, like I said, is my favorite, pretty much my favorite fast food burger. There you go. I don't know if you could, do much better than this. She is a beaut. I am getting the stance thing right, because she's dripping like crazy. Wish me luck, folks. Where I'm going, you don't need luck. Yeah. That sauce is so good in there. I didn't get any of the, I got a little bit of tomato, but no onion yet. Okay, well, I don't stop eating. Hey, you don't want to stand there and watch me eat all day? Great. You can make your own. Oh, this thing is so good. Make your own Baconator at home. Make it better. Add the couple little things in there that I showed you, and you are going to be absolutely amazed at how this thing transforms. That onion and the tomato on the bottom of this, oh man, that sauce. But you have to use American cheese because American cheese has that flavor that you're expecting when it hits your tongue, and it's got that creamy, nice, cheesy, but not too cheesy sort of flavor. It's perfect. You put cheddar on something like this, you're going to ruin it. So, lots of bacon, cooked in a frying pan, nice and slow so it caramelizes. Couple slices of American cheese, my secret sauce, toast the buns. Potato buns are great because they're nice and soft and they're perfect for this. That's just the perfect Wendy's Baconator dupe right there. Now you know how to make this thing, and you can make them all day long. You don't have to sit in the drive-thru anymore and get their terrible fries. You can make your own terrible fries at home. Okay, yeah, okay. Send me the hate in the comments about me hating on the Wendy's fries, and tell me I'm wrong. Convince me I'm wrong. Those are the worst fries in the industry. I swear to God. All that I need with this, though, is a Frosty. That'll have to be done on a future episode here of Drive-Thru Kitchen because for now, we're done. So like, share, subscribe, leave comments, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.